We are getting started on the sauce for our chicken pot pie sandwich. My biscuits are done, check them out, golden brown top. Look at this chicken, we pulled it, nice and seasoned, still juicy. I got 2 carrots diced here, a half a yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, sauteing. The onions are now soft. To this, we're gonna make a roux, thicken up our creamy sauce. So we'll do 2 tablespoons of flour, nice and thick, all right? Roux is equal parts fat and flour. It's used to thicken up sauces, soups. We'll deglaze with some dry sherry, a couple glugs of that. And if this velvety sauce is gonna be the bearskin rug, this right here is the fireplace. Nice warmth, sweetness. To this, we'll add 3/4 of a cup of cream. And 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. We can add our fresh thyme, about a teaspoon. Put it right in there. Looking good, let's bring it up to a simmer, thicken it up. Meanwhile, let's get started on our pea pesto. Got a food processor here. To this, we're gonna add a cup of frozen and thawed peas, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, just rip it off, put them in there. And of course, any great pesto has toasted pine nuts. We did these in a dry pan, lightly toasted them, dump it right in the food processor, squeeze of a half a lemon, just a little bit. And I'm gonna have my olive oil handy, and we can stream it in while it's blending. Turn it on. Now we can taste it. Oh, that is great. This is gonna be great on my chicken pot pie sandwich. Let's start building. We're gonna use these biscuits for our bottom buns. A nice handful of chicken on each biscuit. Look how lovely that is. Beautiful. Now we can take our top buns, the other biscuit, spoon on some of that sweet pea pesto. All right, our creamy pot pie filling is ready to be dolloped on our shredded chicken breast. Spoonful on each. Let's top them. There it is. Shall we try it? I think I deserve a bite of one now. It's plenty for Sarah and Lorenzo and me later. Salud. It's so heartwarming.